Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your February Teacher Care Crate this month. So let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to love this February box. It has the theme teaching, but make it sweet. And so this one is such a fun one. I can't wait to show you all the fun that comes inside for some self-care this month. But don't forget to stay to the very end because I'm also going to show you all your fun printable downloads. So let's dive into all the fun of this February box. Of course, the very first thing that you're going to be greeted when you open your box is your art print of the month. And this art print is cherish the difference you make every day. And this is such a bright reminder for you to have, put it on your teacher desk or write a special note to somebody and inspire them for some more fun this month. But such a fun art print to have in your teacher collection. Of course, the next fun thing that you're going to love that you get is a spa headband. And this one is so cute. It's pink. It has these super cute cherry embroidered design. Such a cute one. So perfect for some fun self-care this month. I cannot wait to use this for my skincare routine or makeup. Such a fun one for you to have, teachers. So can't wait for you to get this one. You're also going to love that your self-care also includes a fun mini spa roller. And this is such a fun one. It's a two-piece set. It has an ice roller and a groove silicone roller. Perfect for under eyes, jawline, and neck. So such a fun one for you to have. This one is so cute. I love the pretty pink. So I can't wait to use this in my self-care routine this month. So another fun one to add. You're also going to love that you get a new vegan leather charm. This is perfect to add for your keychain or for your purse, and it's so soft. I love these pretty colors, and of course goes with the fun theme of Valentine's Day and like this cherry theme. So super cute to add to your purse or your keychain. The self-care doesn't stop there because you're also going to get a moisturizing lip mask, and this one is fun. Perfect for you to take some time to relax and moisturize and plump your pretty lips. So a fun one to have, teachers. You're also going to love that your hair is going to get styled this month because you get these super cute hair clips to add to your collection. I love these. These are such a pretty, again, cherry theme, and of course the pretty barrettes. So super cute to have for your teacher collection and add some fun for Valentine's Day. And a fun one is the trending sweet little mug rug that you get. And of course goes with the Valentine's Day theme with pink and cherries. And so this is such a fun one. It says it's a mug rug and it's perfect to keep your desk drip free in the sweetest way. So perfect. I can't wait to have my coffee or my iced coffee and have it on my desk. So a super cute one. But of course, all the fun that comes in your box this month, but you also get fun digital downloads. So let me show you some fun ones that you get this month. Of course, you get your February calendar and your weekly planner. And you're gonna get some fun Valentine's Day printables. They have some super cute Valentine banners that you can print, and you can make your own paper bows. She had such a cute little design for to make like a little chain one. Of course, your students are gonna love some fun digital downloads. You can give them some Valentines this month, and they have like a Valentine fortune teller that you can print and put in your early finisher bin, some coloring pages. Your students can make their own Valentines. And if you are at the last minute and need some fun, you have some Valentines that you can print and put some cute things to attach to and give to your students. So such a fun February box. I can't wait for you to receive it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see you back for our March unboxing. Have a great month.